Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Commonwealth Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in combank.com.au and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Now from the homepage, click on the log on button at the top right corner and you will be asked to choose between your appropriate login options. Click on your preferred login method and you will be taken into the login portal. Now underneath the client number option, type in your customer number that you have been given and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. Then click on the login button that you see underneath the login portal and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on I've forgotten my login details and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Commonwealth Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.